Yeah, today I'm showing you this lane changing assist in this Macan 2.0T. Yeah, it's 2018 model. Yeah. See, we have this light on the both side mirror, right? Okay. Now the car passing by, so its lights off. Now the other car is coming in, so it's in our blind spot. Then the lights will come out. Okay. Including the motorcycle. Yeah, see, motorcycle come. Yeah. So if the lights is on and I'm trying to turn on the signal lights, for example now, then these lights will blinking, right? This is how the blind spot warning work. And surely here we have extra button which can turn on and off this blind spot warning. Okay, both sides. Left side, see I've got one lorry is coming in. Our car is a bit faster than him, so he won't turn on our blind spot. Right now, yeah, it's turned on. Yeah, it's very bright, and you can adjust the brightness inside these settings if you feel it's too bright. Okay, you can adjust it. The brightness high, medium and low. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.